PLUG stock analysis and PLUG stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and trade, and I'm the only guy in the space that's actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all. So I've seen what's working, what's not, and all that from that matter. Ultimately, with plug power, I'm looking to further take things lower. The most ironic thing ever is that this is a recovered break even. It was such a winner trade, but it just didn't want to take the lows out for just a freaking cent, and I never, I never just stopped out right there. I never took profit, but that's what my rules are telling me, because I know my bottom line is actually working, because I have all these proof documented with using common factors analysis of my 40,000 videos that I've done and actually my trading. But yeah, like this, quite unfortunate, but it is what it is, because for me, if I do see another shift and a double break, nothing's stopping me from still continuing to take things further lower. So I will continue to keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.